Battery ain't going dead. I just came off the charge. Damn, he hugged John boy out.
Motherfucking lady screaming like.
Boy, he left.
Get something out your goddamn pocket. You know about that John boy.
He was just sitting there right.
Oh, boy, just sitting there.
Yeah.
Go! Let's go, guys. Go, John boy. Go. Go. Wait, you still coming? Go. Hey, you got pop in your ass. Hey, that was you got pop in your ass. That was a full tree, dog. Hey, man, you do that again, I'm going home, man. I ain't doing no more.
Hey,
You got pop in your ass.
hey, fuck town, what happened there, man?
That was John boy. Set your motherfucking ass down.
Yeah.
Sit down, goddamn.
Yeah.
Run the mother dog.
Yeah.
James, fuck you up. Goddamn me. Hey, you say that again, I'm gonna make you leave this motherfucker. Say, man.
Yeah.
Say that again, I'm gonna make you leave that motherfucker. Set your motherfucking ass down. Hey, cause you got low hitting his motherfucking ass.
Low got hitting his ass.
Popped in his ass. Boom.
God damn. God.
Boom.
Oh.
Popped in his motherfucking ass.
Damn, low he got.
That weak motherfucker. Man, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Fucked up on
When you gonna whoop big ass?
Yeah.
Hey,
Get
look
him.
down.
Yeah.
You know what's best? You remember when you was finna bet with John Boy?
Yeah.
You find out he was running me.
Yeah. And then
Same
I
way,
came.
you better leave James alone.
All right.
Better leave that shit alone.
Fuck
All right, I'm gonna leave him
Hey,
alone.
don't listen to him. He
Yeah.
just got popped in his ass.
Yeah.
Don't listen to a motherfucker got hit in his ass.
Yeah, I need to listen to a winner.
Listen to a winner.
Yeah.
Got popped in
Listen
your
to
ass.
a no good ass motherfucker from Monkey
Hey,
Town.
man.
That
You
wasn't
got
good.
popped in your ass. Hold on, man. Hey, no. I got something for you. Hey, now tell your motherfucker. Hell no. I gotta get changed for you.
$2
You don't get this whole thing.
He said,
You don't get fucked. You
he
don't get this.
said, give him 2 of them. Give him 2 fucking town. Here it go.
He's not gonna fuck me.
Yeah.
I need some change.
Yeah, you need some change.
Oh, there it is. Hey, look. Hey, your motherfucking ass. Boom. Boom. Hey, I bet John Boy left. I said he ain't gonna even come back around. Got popped in his motherfucking ass. Boom, goddamn me. Hit him in his motherfucking ass.
Damn. I think he coming back around
No,
though.
sir. John Boy going home. Hey, I hope the laws ain't in the way, cause he gonna run over that motherfucking ass. Trying to get the fuck away from you. Got popped in his ass.
I think they finna redo it.
John Boy don't want no more. John Boy, boom, James, boom. Hit John Boy in his goddamn ass. John, I'm trying to tell you, nephew. Oh, hey, nephew, you listen to me next time. He back with John Boy. Hey, John Boy got 20s on that bitch now.
Yeah.
Got the 26 knocked off that ragged motherfucker.
Yeah.
He got the 26. John Boy only got 20.
What he wanna do with Keith? What he want? Hunt my ass, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, I'm talking about John Boy.
Yeah.
John Boy.
Yeah.
Set your motherfucking ass down, boy. Sit down. Boom. I'm in his goddamn ass. Say, OG. John Boy set his ass down now. You know, you look for you get your ass whooped. Them licks and shit hurt you be good after that shit. Sit down and go to sleep.
Yeah.
John Boy go home now.
Yeah.
Take his ass some rest. Stop popping his ass.
Nah, I think he finna pull back in line, bro.
No, sir. He don't want them problems no more. Ronnie needs some new motherfucking glass. Hey, Ronnie, say, tell me where you go get your eye checked at. Look out. Ronnie can't see.
Yeah.
Blind motherfucker. He can't see.
So what's gonna be the race anyway? Motor to Nitrous. Motor, big black motor car get the hit versus the little LS car on Nitrous. Okay.
I'm not, hey, fuck that. That man dead, I don't give a fuck how he do it. He can't fuck with that bitch.
Yeah.
That's too much for him.
Yeah.
That's a real man, though.
Yeah.
Hey. RACEWAY. Hey, hold on. Hey, y'all ready? Hey, you need to make sure to open that trunk before y'all go up there. I already unplugged it, Bobby. They already unplugged, huh?
Good.
Look down. Did you know if there's something in that lane or not? You see that truck broke loose?
I wasn't up there when the truck
That
broke.
truck broke loose.
Oh yeah, I know which one you talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, we gonna open that trunk one more time for you.
They can't put it back on. They only got no trunk. Somebody already up there cutting the light on. Look, Larry do that.
And he got 7 seconds after that light come on.
No, hey, no. Let Tiger cut the light on. Look. Okay.
Hey,
No, let the man
Okay,
go.
so make sure you let your man know that.
Check the video. That's where everybody breaking.
Hey,
Come on, right? Yeah, something everybody eat. Hey, okay. They saying the lane ain't prepped. We finna. He's ready to go and go see what's going on.
30 seconds, you got there. You got some memory just watch it. It might not go right off. They just saying something like they gonna sit there. You know what I'm saying? You watch it. Hey, come on. You don't need to check no more.
no.
All right.